Hello everyone, my name is Pursh and welcome back in another video on Just a Tech YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about the MDM logs and how to bypass it. It's gonna be fully unthreaded method. That means you can reboot your device easily after the bypass, and the SIM will also work, and iCloud login, Siri, iMessages, everything will work as a normal device. And this method needs macOS, or if you have a Hackintosh you can use that also. If you don't know how to install macOS on Windows machine, you can see my previous tutorials in which I have explained in detail how to install macOS on your Windows machine. You can dual boot also, or you can install in the external hard disk or pen drive also. So you can watch that tutorials, all links are in description. And if you want to bypass MDM locks on your Windows machine, you don't have Mac, so you can watch my old tutorial on that. I have shown how to bypass MDM locks on Windows machine. That link also in description, so do check out. So first let's talk about the compatibility and which device is supported and the which iOS version is supported by the MDM bypass. So all the devices that are supported by Checkra1n jailbreak, that only can bypass with the MDM bypass tool. That means iPhone 5s to iPhone X and the iOS version 12.3 to 13.6 are supported, and 12.2 is also supported by Checkra1n, so that is also included. Alright, so you can download the latest Checkra1n version from the official website easily and jailbreak your device. Now for the MDM bypass, just open your Safari browser and go to appletech752.com. I will give the link in the description. There is a new sliver version, that is 5.2, in which they have included the MDM bypass option now. So download the latest 5.2 version. So big shout out to appletech752 from the Just a Tech YouTube channel for the great tool. And if you get any warning, just click on show details and click on the visit website. This is because they don't have SSL certificate, so that is why it's showing. But it's completely safe, you don't have to worry about anything. Just download the latest sliver 5.2 version. So after the downloaded, you will get the DMG file. Just double click on it and it will verify and open it. And after that you will get two files, one is readme file and the one is sliver application itself. If you are new to sliver application, I recommend you to first read the readme file. It has all the instruction to how to give the permission and how to run the sliver application, and the instruction is in different languages, so it's easy to understand. So just go to this readme file. So the step one is you have to copy the sliver application into your application folder. So just open your Finder, and after that you have to go to your application folder, and then just drag and drop the sliver 5.2 version into your application folder. Now after that, just open the application folder again. You will get the sliver you have just copied. Right click on it and show package content. Click on the content folder and you will get all these folder. You have to give the super user permission to the resource folder. So for that, just open the terminal and type, or you can read the readme file also, you can copy the command from that. You have to type chmod -R space 755 to give full access to read-write permission to the resource folder, and give the space again and drag and drop the resource folder and click on enter. After that it will give the permission to that folder. Just close the terminal. Now you are ready to use the sliver version. Just close everything. Now just open your launchpad and now just run the sliver. And if you get any untrusted warning, just go to your settings, journal, security and preferences, and then allow the app from there. So here is the sliver 5.2 version. So you will get so many options, and the new bypass is also added in this. So you will also get the dark mode, that's a good option, so you can check that. For the MDM bypass, just go to more bypass. So here are some more bypass that are previously available in the old version also. So for the MDM bypass, just click on the last option, and now you will see the free MDM bypass that are 100% unthreaded, and the other things, stuff like that, all are written here. You can read this. All the Checkra1n devices are supported 12.2 to 13.6. So first you have to jailbreak your device with the Checkra1n jailbreak. So I have already installed the Checkra1n latest version, that is 0.10.2 beta. So first you have to jailbreak your device. and I'm not going to take too much time in checkra jailbreak because everyone know how to jailbreak their device. If you're still having issue, just follow the instruction on the checkra jailbreak app and just jailbreak your device. So after the jailbreak, just open the Sliver 5.2 application again. You have to connect your device after the jailbreak and don't reboot your device, otherwise you will lose your jailbreak. So after that, you have to just first click on the first option, that is relay device information. After that, you will see the TCP activated. Now you are ready, so just click on OK, and after that just bypass MDM. So now the MDM bypass done, just click on OK and your device will be respring, and after that it will be directly get to the home screen for iOS 12 devices, and for the iOS 13 you have to just go back and reactivate your device. The remote device management or MDM lock screen, now it's fully skipped and it's unthreaded bypass. You can reboot your device. If it's not working in the first try, you can try 2-3 times. Your device will be 2-3 times respring and then it will be permanently bypass the MDM lock. So this is how you can do the MDM bypass untethered way. And this you can use the SIM also. It's completely untethered, that means you can reboot your device without getting the MDM bypass lock screen again. And iCloud, Siri, iMessage, everything will work. So you can check out this tool. So if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, and if you're new here, subscribe to my channel. For more quick updates, press the notification bell icon and follow me on all my social media handles, like I am on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. All the links are in description, you can check there. And there is a giveaway running on my channel, so you can check out this video for participating in the giveaway. So till then, goodbye, take care and peace out.